Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how inside the luxury watch factory, from steel bars to $100,000.
Steel and precious metals are precisely cut to prepare for case and bracelet manufacturing. Each case starts as a rough form, forged under enormous pressure to ensure strength and durability. Every surface is polished by hand, combining mirror and satin finishes for a distinctive luxury look. The heart of a $100,000 timepiece lies in its movement, where hundreds of micro-components work in perfect harmony.
Synthetic rubies reduce friction, allowing the movement to run smoothly for decades.
The balance wheel and hairspring create the steady heartbeat that measures each second. Every dial begins as a simple disc before gaining its character and complexity. Decorative techniques like guilloche and sunburst finishing are what make each dial a miniature work of art. Luminous materials are carefully applied so the watch remains legible even in the dark. Assembly begins with the main plate, where the entire gear train comes together.
Each movement is finely regulated to keep time within strict tolerances.
Complications require the most experienced hands, turning a simple movement into a mechanical masterpiece.
Once perfectly regulated, each movement is encased to protect it from dust, moisture, and shocks.
Each luxury watch is tested to ensure it withstands the rated water resistance, from daily splashes to deep dives.
Even the bracelet or strap is crafted to match the luxury of the watch head itself.
Every watch undergoes a final visual and functional inspection before it can leave the factory.
Certificates, serial numbers, and documentation confirm the watch's origin and exclusivity.
From our factory to collectors around the world, each timepiece represents hundreds of hours of precise craftsmanship. And that's how inside the luxury watch factory, from steel bars to $100,000 timepieces, is made, from start to finish.